Ever wondered how crucial indoor air quality is for your health and well-being? It's time we shed some light on this underappreciated aspect of our lives. We'll explore the top 5 plants that can enhance the air quality indoors. Stay tuned to know which plants can turn your home into a fresh and healthy living space. First on our list is the spider plant, a champion in air purifying. This resilient plant is known to remove toxins from the air with ease. Plus, it's incredibly low maintenance, perfect for beginners. So, if you're new to plant parenthood, spider plant is a fantastic place to start. Next up, we have the snake plant, a hardy and resilient air cleanser. Snake plants are fantastic at purifying the air, removing toxins with ease. Their robust nature makes them great for those just starting their plant journey. For those who fear they lack a green thumb, fear not, the snake plant is your perfect match. Third on our list is the elegant peace lily, a beautiful addition to any indoor space. This plant not only improves your air quality by filtering toxins, but also graces your home with stunning white blooms. So if you want a plant that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, peace lily is the one for you. Fourth on our list is the Boston fern, a plant known for its lush and feathery fronds. This cool-loving plant thrives in high humidity and indirect light, purifying the air as it grows. If you can provide these conditions, the Boston fern can be a great addition to your indoor plant collection. Last but not least, we have the English ivy, a classic climber. This plant is a powerhouse, adept at reducing airborne pollutants. Remarkably versatile, it thrives in diverse conditions. English ivy is not just a pretty face, it's a hard worker when it comes to purifying your indoor air. So, there you have it, 5 incredible plants that can help improve your indoor air quality. We've delved into how each one, from the resilient spider plant to the elegant English ivy, can actively cleanse the air in your home. They are not just aesthetic additions, but contribute to making your living space healthier. They truly are nature's air purifiers. Remember to give this video a like if you found it informative and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make your home a healthier place to live.